For many years, we have been building systems and getting better at it. Several technologies, architectural patterns, and best practices have emerged over those years. Microservices is an architectural style which has emerged from the world of domain-driven design, continuous delivery that structures an application as a collection of small autonomous services modeled around a business domain which are individually deployable. Welcome to my course on reactive microservices in .NET Core. My name is Prajesh Pratap. I have over 12 years of experience in IT industry as a solution architect and continuous delivery consultant. Over these years, I've coupled my technical expertise and agile practices to help companies design and develop technical solutions to solve complex problems. I'm an author and a frequent speaker at technology conferences and user groups. I'm a regular blogger and constantly tweets about all things agile. You can follow my blogs at www.blogsprajesh.blogspot.com or at my LinkedIn page. We'll start this course with a quick introduction to microservices and the main features and principles of microservices. Microservice application requirements have changed dramatically in recent years. Users expect the system to have almost 100% uptime with sub-second response times. While adopting microservices, it's important to build applications that can deliver on these requirements. Reactive Manifesto, published in 2014, describes the essential characteristics of reactive systems, including responsiveness, resiliency, elasticity, and being message-driven. We'll see how to use the principles of reactive programming to build message-driven, highly scalable, and available microservices. The elements of .NET Core's design are its modularity and lightweight nature. These properties make it ideal for building containerized microservice applications. We'll see how to combine ASP.NET Core and Docker using a cross-platform approach to build, deploy, and debug microservice applications using Visual Studio and .NET Core. In a microservice landscape, all these services need to be able to talk to each other. They need to cope when some of them are not feeling well. They need to run on real machines and to be able to connect with each other for communication. Also, with technologies like Docker containers emerge in the development community, helping create a consistent, portable, and easy way for users to quickly build these microservices. Managing these microservices in containers became a paramount requirement. This is where Kubernetes comes into picture. It orchestrates the life and time of individual Docker containers, giving us the primitives we need to construct robust and scalable systems. We'll see how to deploy our microservice application to a Kubernetes cluster in Azure. In this course, you will learn what microservices are and the principles of microservices. Further, we'll see how to set up your development environment to create and deploy microservices in .NET Core. We'll get introduced to the concept of reactive programming and create reactive microservices in .NET Core. Using tools like EFK, we'll see how to gather insights into microservices and finally deploy your application to a Kubernetes cluster. This course assumes that you have some experience using ASP.NET Core and Docker. You should be able to create web applications in ASP.NET Core and run them locally. I'm also assuming that you have some previous experience using Docker and Visual Studio 2017. During this course, we'll be working on a sample .NET Core application and deploy it into a Kubernetes cluster. Apart from these, you would need Visual Studio 2017 Community Edition for the labs and Windows 10 development machine. You can download Visual Studio Community Edition for free from the Visual Studio website.